how HeyGen AI Video Generator works. I'm over here in HeyGen, I have an account. I'll show you how it works. Just click on create video over here. Over here you need to pick one of them, avatar or video translation. I'm gonna pick avatar. Then you need to pick the format. Let's say I want to pick this one. And then over here you have many avatars that you can pick from. Also you can customize a personal avatar, but over here you can pick any of them. So let's, for example, pick this one.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
So you cannot see him speaking over here, but when you submit and download, you'll see speaking. So let's test it. Let's go to script over here. And then over here you can change the accent. And type whatever you want him to say. So say, hi, how is your day? For example, and then let's play it.
Hi, how is your day?
Now, as you can see, he's not moving, right? Even if you go to preview over here, which is supposed to show him, but I don't know why. But once you submit, let's see the resolution. Yes. And click submit. Then over here you'll see the video and it's generating. So we need to wait a bit. You can go to home for now. I'll see here, you can see generating the video. So let's just wait until it's generated. Okay, now it's ready. We can click on that and then play.
Hi, how is your day?
As you can see, the character is speaking and moving. That's how we generate. If we go back, we could go to templates, and over here we could pick any of them and then we could add the AI we generated to that template or change the image to the one we want. And yeah, that's simply how you do it.